Wow, look at that. A fucking tiger shark, man.
Look at him swallow it. Put that on YouTube.
Is that fucking awesome or what?
You gotta move fast now, huh? Now you're gonna fight our damn tickle chain. Look at it. Attack our tickle chain.
Dad, they eat all kinds of shit.
We got him goddamn going crazy. Look, now he's hitting the damn seaweed.
You want to catch another one?
You made a monster out of him. Look at him. Now he's starting to, look how fast he's going. Look,
He's all wild up.
he is wired for sound. He's caught a little bit of the blood. Now he's going to attack the other tickle chains. Look at him, eat him. Look at him rub him. We got a man eater. We got us a damn fish going wild. There's something hanging on that tickle chain. You see
Look,
that?
look. That's fucking awesome.
Is that a man eater or what?
That's a man eater.
That's a little one. That's the baby. There you go. He's diving. Look at him. He's descending, man.